In this clip, we'll be taking a look at the Zotero Connector. The connector is a browser extension that allows you to save sources directly from websites to your Zotero library quickly and easily. It also allows you to integrate Zotero with Google Docs, the same way Zotero works with Microsoft Word. Note that for the connector to work, you will need to register for and activate a Zotero account and set up syncing within the Zotero app to use it, or have Zotero open while using the connector. First, we need to install the Zotero connector, which is also found on Zotero's website. Clicking the Install button here opens the Chrome Extensions web store. However, like most extensions, it is free. When you click Add to Chrome, you will get a notice about privacy, and then click Add Extension and it's installed. You can check your extensions at the top right of Chrome with the puzzle piece icon. You may want to pin the connector so that it always shows. You can also view the connector's options from this menu as well if needed. Once the connector is installed, you'll need to open Zotero itself, which I've done in the background, then you're ready to go. To demonstrate the connector, I'm on the popular Academic Search Complete database, but the functionality should be the same for any library database you might use. We'll just do a basic search for puppies and kittens. You might notice in the top right of the page, the connector icon has changed to a folder. It should detect anything on a website it can pull in as a source and will change accordingly. Now we can click the connector itself and we get a new small window with all the articles on the page. You can select them individually or do select all if you're gathering lots of sources at once for whatever reason. When you hit OK, you will see a new window that says Saving To, with information about what you are saving and an option to choose where your new sources are going. It will default to save to any library or collection that you currently have open within Zotero. This window will automatically close when it's done. Next, we can double-check within Zotero itself to see that it got the sources. You'll notice that it pulled in PDFs when they were linked within the database. Now that we have some sources, we can use the connector to input them as citations within a Google Doc. Here we have a doc ready to go, and at the top of the page you'll notice Zotero alongside other options. From here, we have the same options as Zotero within Microsoft Word. Let's go ahead and pick a location for our first citation. The first time you select Add or Edit Citation, the document will be grayed out, and Zotero will pop up asking you to select a citation style. When you do, you're free to start adding citations with the search bar. When you're ready, you can go to the spot in your paper you want your bibliography to be, usually the end, and select Add or Edit Bibliography within Zotero. As was the case with Zotero and Word, you're free to add more citations later and the bibliography will automatically adjust. You can also go into Document Preferences within the Zotero drop-down menu to change your citation style if needed.